Hey there, awesome humans! Welcome to another thrilling episode where we uncover the mysteries of our world and beyond. It's always a pleasure to have you here with us, ready to dive into the unknown. Get ready to explore something truly fascinating with me. Today, we're not just scratching the surface. We're going deep, peeling back the layers of the extraordinary to reveal the wonders that lie beneath. Whether you're a seasoned explorer or a curious newbie, there's something here for everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of topic. Imagine plunging into the depths of the ocean, where sunlight fades and mysterious creatures lurk. Or picture yourself navigating through a dense, uncharted forest, where every rustle of leaves could be a new discovery. And let's not forget the vast expanse of outer space, where planets and stars hold secrets we've only begun to understand. This isn't just another boring lecture. We're transforming learning into an exhilarating experience. Picture a classroom where every student is on the edge of their seat, an interactive workshop where ideas flow like a river, and an energetic speaker who makes every word come alive. That's the kind of journey we're on today. We're about to embark on an exciting adventure together. Think of it as a road trip with your best friends, where every turn brings a new surprise, every trail leads to breathtaking views, and every moment is filled with laughter and discovery. This is more than just a journey, it's an adventure of a lifetime. Buckle up and get ready for an amazing ride, just like fastening your seatbelt before a thrilling roller coaster ride or feeling the rush as an airplane takes off. We're about to experience the highs and lows, the twists and turns, and the sheer excitement of exploring the unknown. So hold on tight, because this is going to be one unforgettable journey. Before we start, I need your help. Think about topic for a moment. What's one question swirling in your mind? Don't be shy. Share your burning question in the comments below. Your curiosity is what fuels this journey. Now that you've pondered your question, get ready for some mind-blowing insights. We're about to uncover hidden truths and explore fascinating perspectives. This is your chance to learn, grow, and expand your understanding of topic. Once upon a time, in a land not so far away, there was a place filled with wonder and endless possibilities. This land was not just a figment of imagination, but a real place where the ordinary met the extraordinary every single day. Just kidding. But seriously, have you ever heard about the incredible story of the town of Curiosityville? This quaint little town, nestled between rolling hills and lush forests, was home to some of the most inquisitive minds and adventurous spirits. Every corner of Curiosityville held a secret waiting to be discovered, a mystery yearning to be unraveled. This story always reminds me of the power of curiosity and its impact on our lives. Curiosityville was a place where questions were more important than answers, where the journey of discovery was cherished more than the destination. The townsfolk believed that curiosity was the key to unlocking the wonders of the world, and they lived by this philosophy every day. Imagine waking up every morning with a sense of excitement, knowing that today could be the day you uncover something extraordinary. In Curiosityville, children and adults alike were encouraged to explore, to ask questions, and to never stop learning. Schools were not just places of rote learning, but vibrant hubs of creativity and innovation. Teachers were guides, not just instructors, leading their students on paths of exploration and wonder. In the heart of the town stood the Great Library of Curiosityville, a magnificent structure filled with books, artifacts, and treasures from all over the world. It was a place where anyone could lose themselves in the pages of a book or find inspiration in the relics of the past. The library was a testament to the town's love for knowledge and its commitment to nurturing the curious minds of its inhabitants. But the spirit of curiosity was not confined to the library. It permeated every aspect of life in Curiosityville. In the cafes, you would find animated conversations about the latest discoveries and theories. In the parks, people would gather to share their findings and brainstorm new ideas. Even in the quiet moments when someone was simply browsing the internet, there was always a sense of wonder and excitement. Curiosityville teaches us that curiosity is not just a trait but a way of life. It shows us that when we embrace our natural inquisitiveness, we open ourselves up to a world of endless possibilities. So the next time you find yourself wondering about something, remember the story of Curiosityville and let your curiosity lead the way. Section 5. Unraveling the Threads. As we journey deeper into the world of topic, Remember that every question, every thought is a thread in this grand tapestry of knowledge. Together, we'll weave a rich understanding of this fascinating subject, so keep those questions coming. Section 6. Your questions fuel the journey. I can't stress this enough. Your questions are the fuel for this exploration. The more you ask, the deeper we dive. Don't hold back. Share your thoughts, your doubts, your wildest ideas in the comments below. Section 7. Stay connected, stay curious. This isn't just a one-time thing. Let's keep the conversation going. Follow me on your social media handles to stay connected and continue exploring the wonders of topic. Section 8. Let's keep the conversation going. Remember, learning is a lifelong adventure, and I'm thrilled to be on this journey with you. Let's keep the conversation flowing, the questions coming, and the minds expanding. Section 9. Your voice matters. In a world where every voice can make a difference, it's important to remember that your thoughts, ideas, and questions are valuable. Whether you're speaking up in a meeting, sharing your insights in a group discussion, or simply asking a question, your voice has the power to inspire change and spark new ideas. Thank you for being here, for your curiosity, and for sharing your voice. Your presence and participation are what make this community vibrant and dynamic. Every time you contribute, you help create a space where knowledge can flourish and where everyone can learn from each other. It's through this collective effort that we can tackle complex problems and find innovative solutions. Together, we can unlock the secrets of topic and make the world a more informed and fascinating place. Imagine the possibilities when diverse minds come together, each bringing their unique perspective and expertise. Whether it's through collaborative research, engaging discussions, or simply sharing a new idea, we can push the boundaries of what's possible and make significant strides in our understanding of topic. Now, let's get this party started. What's your question? Don't hesitate to speak up because every question is a stepping stone to greater knowledge. Your curiosity can lead to discoveries that benefit everyone. So let's dive in, explore new horizons, and make this journey of learning and discovery